Hello everyone, this is our second video, and in this video I'll be telling you more data types, that is float, character, string. We would be seeing some tricks and how to use all these data types, and I'll be telling you more informations on all these things. So we have seen int. Now we'll go to float. Basically what is float? Float data type stores decimal values up to 6 places. So when I type declare float a, I'll and now we'll take a as a random value, but we have already used a, I guess. So we'll just change it to, because our C is an object oriented programming language, so it we should declare something else because we have already declared a, so it will throw an error. We'll take a random value here, and now we'll print that value. I'll copy this from here. We'll see, and here you need to make sure that you write ampersand f, because it depicts that it is for float. It stores value of float, and for integers we write d, ampersand d. For characters we write ampersand c, and for strings we write ampersand s. You can go to Google and search data types. We are at Geeks for Geeks website, so you can see here they have properly given you how to what are data types, and they have also given you, see, int, it stores 4 bytes, you can see that, and it ranges from these many it ranges from this to this. And format specifier, integers format specifier is %d. For long int you can see here unsigned, and see, for float here it is given percent %f. For double it's given %lf. uh, so you don't have to remember all these things, but you can go through this and check it out yourselves. Here they have also given you the program, so we'll write it ourselves. We'll go to our program, and yeah, we have to change something over here. So we'll write t and we'll print this thing. I'll just comment out the whole program that we have written, and we don't need it anymore because, yeah, I use control / to comment multiple lines. You can see that, and yeah, we'll run this program. This will take some time, and see, here you can see that here after decimals the program has taken 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, float gives us up until 6 decimal places, up until 6, and we'll just minimize this a bit. Yeah, that would be fine. Now we'll go to character. All the numbers like a b c d or something, they are stored in char data types, and I'll just, yeah, we have declared one char, and now we'll store something in char. Remember that, mm, if you want to save anything in char, you have to save it giving inverted commas, single inverted commas to be more precise. So I'll save this as, and the single inverted commas as e. Yeah, I've saved e in rw variable, which is a char, which is of type character. I mean to say, yeah, we haven't print that, so we'll have to print that. I suggest you using VS Code because it makes your coding easy, and you can also do one thing over here. You can beautify your code by doing this. You can format your document over here, and see, my code is looking beautiful now. You can do this with VS Code, and See, we have not added backslash n, that's why it's looking like that. Don't make mistakes like me and yeah, we'll just add a backslash n so that our program looks beautiful after the results. Yeah, you can see that now. So you might be wondering, what if I don't want the C, this my answer at 6 decimal places? So what can I do? Like if I want my answer, final answer to be of 2 decimal places, rounding off to 2 decimal places, so I can write my program as point 2 over here. I can write this as point 2. So now we'll run and I got only 2 decimal places. You can also do it with one for one. You can change this to 1 and you'll get your answer up until 1 decimal place. Rounded answer, because it rounds off your answer, because we had a, you can see our answer was 15.75 and it rounds off this answer to 8. If you want for like for 4 decimal places, you can also opt for that, and you can see that our answer is in up until 4 decimal places. So yeah, you can do this with int, sorry, float. And now we'll subtract. The same way goes with subtraction and everything. But now if I tell you something, like when we had declared integer, I mean, when I divided 5 with I'm really sorry, with 2, I say that, and I'll do a division of 5 divided by 2. So for person D, and we'll write it as E divided by W divided by E. We'll close it. So what is the answer that we get after dividing this? I'm really sorry, I have not added a next line over here. That's why our answer came like that. We'll just add backslash n for a new line. So yeah, we got 2 as an answer, but we did the same thing in float. Like if I change this a to, let's say, 5 and this b to 2, and I divide these two things, I'll just printf f, because these are float values, and I'll divide a divided by b, a divided by b. I'll just add a backslash because you saw what happened last time, backslash n. And yeah, we'll try to run this program. So you see what value did we get for the first time, and for when it was integer, and now we are getting a real value of 2.5. So this is what is the difference between integer and float. Int returns integer value, whatever it is. If I did vice versa of this, that is, if I wrote E over here and W over here, the same goes with, I'll change these values B and I'll change this to A. So yeah, we'll try to run this. You can see that here it returns 0, and whereas if we see the float value, it gives us a authentic value of what the value actually is. So you can use this float to get a better, or I say proper answers, or answers which are correct, or precise answers, I must say the word. refer the word as precise answers. So yeah, these were our integer, float, characters, and we will be solving questions in our next video about all these things. You will be building logic with me and solving these things. I would solve 5 questions from the website named Code Chef. You can go and check their website. It's really easy questions. You can start with easy questions and gradually increase your level. Thank you from my side, and that was it. Hope you have a great day ahead.